Hi everyone, this is Miss Catrina, and today we'll be reading Cooler Than Lemonade by Harshita Jerath and Chloe Burgett. Eva's idea bucket is always swirling with ideas to fix problems, to try new solutions, and to make new things. One summer day, when everyone seeks relief from the scorching sun, a new idea snaps into Eva's head. It sizzles with possibilities and sprouts into something bigger until it launches. Let's start a lemonade stand, Roo. Eva has the freshest ingredients, a welcoming smile, and a can-do attitude. But she isn't prepared for competition. Eva puts on her thinking cap. She walks, she sits, she stews, and another idea snaps, sizzles, sprouts. Time to add new flavor. What do you think of this, Aru? Seconds, please. Eva offers lemonade to family and friends. How many stars? She experiments, she tests, she adjusts. How many stars now? Eva decides to offer samples. More, please, the crowd chants. Eva has the freshest ingredients, a welcoming smile, and a new flavor, but she isn't prepared for a challenge. Once again, Eva puts on her thinking cap. She meditates, she builds, she daydreams. A new idea snaps, sizzles, sprouts. Time to spread the word. Eva creates a logo. She posts flyers in the neighborhood. Aru waves at the passerby. Eva's lemonade stand stands out. Word spreads and the crowds flock. Eva has the freshest ingredients, a welcoming smile, and plenty of buzz, but she isn't prepared for more change. Her lemonade line shrinks. I can't match this, she sighs. Once again, Eva puts on her thinking cap. She doodles, she crafts, she fiddles, but no fresh ideas show up. After a night of tossing and turning, Eva is out of new ideas and out of business. You're happy when you make things, says Aru. Can you make kulfi, your special ice cream, please? Eva drags herself out of bed. She pulls out the milk. She blends in the sugar. The warm scent of cardamom begins to dance in the air, and Eva's heart smiles. That scorching afternoon, Eva offers kulfi to family and friends. How many stars? She tests, she adjusts. How many stars now? It is cool and creamy, it is sweet and a smidge spicy, the tasters comment. Eva has the freshest ingredients, a welcoming smile, and her own recipe. And this time she's prepared for a partnership. And this is from the author about kulfi. Kulfi is a milk-based frozen dessert my family loves. Unlike ice cream, kulfi has a creamier and denser texture. During summers in India, the street vendors sell kulfi in terracotta cups or on sticks. And you can make your own Eva's Secret no-cook kulfi recipe. You only need 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk, 1 pint heavy cream, a 1/4 teaspoon cardamom ground, 1 pinch salt, 1 pinch saffron, and you mix all the ingredients together in a big bowl until blended. You pour the mixture into kulfi molds or ice pop molds, cover the molds with plastic wrap, put them in the freezer, and freeze for 8 to 10 hours. dip the outside of the molds in warm water to release the kulfi, and enjoy. And that was cooler than lemonade. Thanks for reading with me.